What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life. As you can see, got the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus on deck. And I haven't done this in a couple years, so I figured I would spark it off like this. It's a case that I was always doing a video on first off the break for the device. The case I was copping, the case I was going to. And y'all know what that is. It's the Otterbox. Otterbox Defender Pro. You know what I mean? I live that rugged life, so I'll be needing something rugged. So we just gonna check out the Otterbox for this year, and we gonna just go back over how to install it and what's good about the Otterbox and what's bad about the Otterbox. What's bad about the Otterbox is it's a little bulky. Gets definitely bulky. It's not a minimal case. So let's take a look at the box. As you can see, typical Otterbox packaging. Now it says 5G capable because this is a 5G phone, even though you might not have 5G services in your area. We got the Defender Pro series, rugged protection, and it's got Pro drop protection, limited lifetime warranty. Gotta explain the limited lifetime warranty. Outer armor microbial defense. That's good. Help you save you from the coronavirus. That means the material actually gets rid of germs itself. I've seen a couple cases like this. That's very dope. We should be clean out here with our devices. You should be wiping your device down on the regular anyway. Professional grade protection for everyday defense. Okay, and same thing is said on the front. And this just goes into the microbial defense, protects the case exterior from many common germs. It does not protect the screen, printed graphic, or holster. So you still should be wiping your phone down. And that is the packaging, of course. So we're gonna get into the case. Slides out the packaging like so. Otterbox always has a nice packaging, and it always is easy to get out the packaging. But sometimes in Best Buy, they raggedy, I guess, because they easy to come out the packaging and people mess with it and tear it up and stuff like that. But yeah. So I copped this from Best Buy. I'm put a link in the description. I'm put an Amazon affiliate link. Help your boy out, you know, trying to keep up with the Joneses on the tech tip. All right, so this is for the S20 Plus. Oh, we gotta definitely go over the color. Now, we have to go over the color. I'm not even sure what color this joint is. I mean, as you can see, it's a blue. It's definitely a blue, but I'm just gonna have to put it in the title. Or I'm putting in the description because I don't see it on the box right now. Nice blue, and cosmic gray. As you can see, the inside. We're just gonna go ahead and break the case down. Come on, let's take it out. Packaging. Here it is. Case. Boom. Nice navy looking type blue. As you can see, you got these designs on the back, in the silicone, things of that nature. As you can see, you got some Otterbox branding. So we're gonna open it up like so. This is definitely a 4-part case, because here you go. You have your sturdy holster right here. Now, the holster, as you can see, if you see this little clip right here, you press this down, you heard that snap in, now you got a kickstand. And I'm gonna show you how that works. But Otterbox has very sturdy holsters, some of the best holsters in the game for rugged cases. As you can see, we got the interior with a nice soft material inside the case so it don't destroy your phone. No, they do not have a Otterbox stopped putting glass screen protectors in these Samsung phone cases, because a lot of these phone cases, when they have a pre-built-in screen protector, it doesn't work well. It's space in there, things of that nature. It adds a lot of pressure on the display of the phone. So there's a couple reasons that they could have got rid of the screen protector for you know, these cases. They normally used to all come with screen protectors, but as you can see, got button placement. Okay, we're gonna just break down the case, go part by part, pull it behind the screen, guys. Give me a second. You know, this Otterbox, especially when they fresh out the box, are very tough. This is just silicone skin right here. I noticed they've done a better job over the years, as my silicone skins don't wear out as easy. this skin used to stretch and be all hanging off the case, looking sloppy back in the day if you had your case for a while. And this is your hard plastic inner layer, and there's a front frame and there's a rear frame. And the way you separate them is very easy, guys. See, all these arrows, they point to clips. All the arrows, arrow, they point to clips. So as you can see the clip, all you have to do is lift up on the clip and it separates. Don't sit there. A lot of people don't know how to take these apart. Lift up on the clip, it separates. So I'm gonna go ahead and break it down, and we just gonna put it on the device, guys, because y'all know what it is. I'm just showing y'all what it is for the S20 Plus now. So that's how we broke it down. We just went to all the arrows and lifted up, and the front frame separates from the rear frame. So how would I install it on my device? Take my S20 Plus, sit it up in here like so, and put the front frame on. Make sure I got to see the little cutout at the top for the mic. Yeah, make sure that's at the top. Make sure the cutouts is matching down bottom. Everything matched up, and as you hear me push, you hear everything snap into place. Very easy, guys. Very easy install and de-installation. Not gonna make this hard. We throw the skin on, then we just, as you can see, all around here, we have like a frame that interlocks with the silicone. So we just gonna wanna make sure we push the silicone over so everything is nice and tight. And boom, boom, boom. Pull this back. Make sure I got everything nice and tight. I ain't even set this phone up yet, guys. I wanted to bring y'all this Otterbox video. So everything nice and tight. There it is. You got a nice raised up lip right there. Some real good protection from this. Real good protection. Nice raised up lip. As you can see, back, you got a raised up lip around your camera. Very important part of this device. Got a nice cover for your Type-C. You still got a nice big hole for your speaker, big hole for your microphone, hole up top for your microphone. So yeah, this is the Otterbox, guys. You got the power button, volume up and down. Now Samsung do them on the right side. So just something very dope, guys. Very dope, very rugged case right here. It's the Otterbox Defender Pro Series for the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. It's your man BG Tech Life. And take your holster before I do my outro. Sit in there like so. And now you can watch the BG Tech Life, guys. It's your man BG. Thanks for watching. If you like it, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.